Hi, Christiana. What do you have in your cup? What is that? What is that? It's a penny? It's a dime. You put it in your cup? Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you. You can have it. Can you put it back in your cup?
No. Hey.
Hi, sweetie. Oh, thank you. Do you want to hold your baby sister? Do you want to hold Mary Kate? You want to hold Mary Kate?
Hold on.
Hold her? You want to hold her? Okay, here you go.
No.
Who's that?
Baby.
It's Mary Kate. Can you say Mary Kate? Say I love you. Can you give her a kissy? Give her a kissy, Christiana.
Tata.
What?
Baby.
What do you see?
Baby.
A birdie outside. Saw a birdie?
Huh.
Christiana, give her a kissy. You give Mary Kate a kissy? You give her a little kissy? Christiana! Christiana, give Mary Kate a kissy. Oh, that's sweet, honey. You give her a little kissy?
Baby. Baby.
Oh, your penny. Put it in your cup. There you go. Okay. No, don't drink it. Don't drink your penny. Don't drink your penny. You're a funny girl. Christiana, who's this?
Baby.
Who's this?
Hey.
Mary Kate. That's right. Yeah. Do you love Mary Kate? Can you give her a kissy? Give her a kissy. No, gentle, gentle. Okay, poor Mary Kate. Okay, gentle. All right, Mommy's turn to get Mary Kate. Okay. So, can you say hi, Sita? Yeah, Sita. Or you want to say hi to Daddy? Where's Daddy? Is he playing in the snow? Say Daddy.
Baby.
Say Daddy.
Baby.
Birdie. Where did your penny go? No? You don't know? Okay. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Christiana, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay.
Baby.